What will the Earth look like in 5 million years? This is a difficult question to answer because it's impossible to foresee the future. However, it's my prediction that the future of the Earth may be a grim one, and that in 5 million years it will look very different from what it does today. I think that some of the continents may split apart and that they may be reduced in size due to increasing water levels. In addition, I think that there will be a diminished species variety and that there will be less foliage and plant life. In the meantime, I think there will be a greatly increased population and that people will have tight living spaces and be living in poverty with a very low quality of life. The climate has been changing, and the Earth's temperature has been increasing, in part due to the burning of fossil fuels, the excess of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases, and the depletion of the ozone layer. And this will only get worse unless new technology is formed and new methods for transportation and energy are created. If the temperature of the Earth continues to rise, the glaciers, which store 75% of the Earth's fresh water and make up 10% of the landmass, will keep shrinking and melting, which will increase the ocean volume, and that, in turn, will cause rising water levels, meaning that the shorelines would creep up, shrinking the size of the continents. Another result of climate change is more intense storms. According to the EPA, changes in temperature can lead to drought and increased cyclone activity both on land and in water. Along with this, the melting ice sheets could set off earthquakes and volcanoes, according to British scientist Fred Pearce. This may cause shifts in tectonic plates, changing the structure of the landscape, or even causing vulnerable areas, such as California, to break apart from the continental U.S. Next, I think biodiversity will continue to decrease in the upcoming 5 million years, especially since, according to the World Wildlife Fund, it has already decreased more than a quarter in the past 35 years. There are many causes, including overhunting and deforestation. This overexploitation could damage the food chain, which would ultimately affect humans as well. For this reason, it is important to help preserve biodiversity or face possible doom. Next, it is no secret that the population continues to skyrocket. If this does not stabilize, in sooner than 5 million years, there will literally be no room to live. People will be stacked on top of each other in slums and live in poverty. There would be chaos, and the quality of life would reach an all-time low. Additionally, the ecological footprint would be so massive that all resources would likely vanish, which could even end life on Earth. That said, I do think that the future will have its shining moments. With so many thinking brains and with such an urgent need, surely developers of new technology will surface to help restore natural resources, clean up for past generations, and ensure sustainability in the future. Already, more and more communities are utilizing solar and wind power and other forms of alternate energy. In the meantime, the EPA is continually researching new processes to increase sustainability and new technologies to help ensure a brighter future for the world. The following links are citations for the images used and are free to use and share. The following citations provide references for information used in this presentation. Thank you.